ISR survival tip: how to make a natural candle wick for emergencies. I'm going to take this stick that I got from an incense. Some people said you can use just a toothpick for a wick. This is not correct. I did not have a lot of success with that. However, once I found you can wrap a paper towel around this, roll it up. Now it will have just a little bit of soot that comes off of this. If you make it small, there will be less soot. Here I'm going to use a natural adhesive. Why is candles put off stuff into the air? You don't want to breathe anything funky. So I'm just going to throw a quick dab of honey on here. Bloop. Honey. There we go. Good old natural honey. And I'm rolling it up. Smooth that out a little. Keep rolling. Give you a better view. We're rolling that. Just a little honey in there just to keep it all together. Now, I have this wick like this. Now what I'm going to do is take this coconut oil. You can see I had put this coconut oil there. Or whatever fat or wax you're working with. See? Then this becomes your wick, and it's rigid. Nobody likes a limp wick. So apply this to your emergency candles, emergency situations. Be careful always, as a disclaimer, candles and fire are dangerous. Please use caution.